I bet there's a Land Rover special tool for that. Parts washer. Okay, so I assume that these are a matched pair in that these are clamped down and then it is through board when machining. So I'm going to put some centre punch marks on so I know which one came from where.
This idea proved to be completely pointless. Not because it wasn't a good idea, just that the last guy didn't bother and got them the wrong way around. I found that out much later.
Safety first. Parts washer. So this should just now lift out, I believe. So it can't just lift out because of the way that the gear is inside, so you have to actually pull the races off the bearing. Then it'll lift out. The camera battery went flat, don't worry, you haven't missed anything. Taking this over to the parts washer and giving it a good clean. If you can't tell it's cleaner on camera, you won't see this bit. Really? You can't tell? I did not anticipate that dropping out like that. Boom, first spanner. 3/16 Whitworth. Ah, there's the seal. It's in there. Need to replace that. So this bearing should now lift out. It does. And we're replacing both these bearings, so we're going to use a brass drift to knock those out while it's in the vise. So you might notice there's a bit of a change here, and that's because a week's gone by, and I'm disappointed to find out that the bearing has not yet dropped out of the diff. Ah, there we go. Surprising what a little bit of heat can do.
Oh,
Go in. Gone. Hooray! And that is the diff fully stripped. Okay, so I've got this as clean as I possibly can for the time being, and now I'm going to go over to the shot blast cabinet and clean up the outside, ready for painting. Okay, so there we have it. One shot blasted diff. It's not perfect. I hadn't realised how long that was going to take. I've managed to press one bearing in. The other one's not turned up for various reasons. So I've masked off this end and also underneath. And I'm now going to spray this using the turntable in my spray booth cabinet. If you've not seen the video on the spray booth cabinet, check that out after you've watched this video. There'll be a link in the description. And I'm going to use the opportunity to give these various bits and pieces hanging here another coat of paint. So without further ado, well, I think we're going to have to leave it there for this video. That's quite enough diff talk. Tune in next time for my opinions and part 2.